This is a video on a confidence interval for a mean. The question states, a recent survey of 51 theaters produced a mean ticket price of $7.24. The standard deviation for these 51 theaters was $1.28. Find a 90% confidence interval for the mean ticket price of all theaters. So we want a confidence interval. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just write down the important statistics that they gave us. So notice that we have 51 theaters that we looked at. So that's n equals 51. And the mean for that sample was $7.24. So the sample mean is x bar is equal to 7.24. And the standard deviation was $1.28, and that was for these 51 theaters, not for the entire population, but for the sample. So the sample standard deviation, S, is equal to 1.28. So now that I have this information, I can go right to my calculator. Okay, here's my calculator. And we want a confidence interval for the mean ticket price. So we go find a confidence interval for the mean, and we have statistics because we have the sample mean and the sample standard deviation. We don't have data. So I go to number 9, which is confidence interval for a mean with statistics. And it asks us for n, the sample size, and the sample size was 51. It asks us for x bar, the sample mean, and that was 7.24. It asks us for S, the sample standard deviation, and that was 1.28. And it asks for the confidence level, and we wanted a 90% confidence level, so 0.9. And I hit calculate. And there we have it. The lower bound is about 6.9-ish, and the upper bound is around 7.5. So now let's go back and let's make interpretations. Okay, we have our confidence interval from 6.94 to 7.54. And I'm going to draw a little picture, and we want a 90% confidence interval. So we have a approximate normal distribution. It's really a t-distribution. So here's what we can draw. And the area inside should be 0.9 because it's 90%. And the average, the x bar, is 7.24. So if we go out on the left to 6.94 and on the right to 7.54, then the area in between will be 0.9, or 90% of the total area. So that's a picture of the confidence interval. So now let's state our conclusion in words. So we are 90% confident that the mean ticket price for all theaters in the United States is between $6.94 and $7.54. And I'm done with the problem. Thank you for watching this video.